Where's the dirty clothes, Karen? You put in dirty clothes?
No.
Can you go put in dirty clothes over there? Here, go put in dirty clothes. Go put in dirty clothes. Dirty clothes. Yeah, it's dirty clothes. That is not the dirty clothes. Go put in the dirty clothes. Mommy will do it. Mommy's gonna put in dirty clothes. Oh, I missed. Can you go throw it in the dirty clothes for me? Here, come on. Let's go. Go put in dirty clothes. Mommy do it. Hold on, Piper. Are you gonna put it in dirty clothes?
So.
Huh? Dirty clothes. Good job, buddy. Good job. What about your britches?
No.
Hey. Hey, look.
Wow! You got a double!
What is that? Dirty clothes. Dirty clothes. There you go. Good job. That's, you can close it. Nice job. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Dirty clothes. You leave them alone, okay? You ready to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? You want bubbles? Hold on.